What's going on, guys? Jake Teaser with the latest Mustang and automotive news. So we found the biggest internet troll, the biggest Mustang troll. I don't know. You guys can let me know what you think. This was just a funny thread that I found on Mustang 6G. This guy, who's self-proclaimed boomer, says he's from Sandy Springs, Georgia, joined in 2018, okay? He says, so the thread title is My Almost Fourth Year with a GT350. And it's just a post in Shelby GT350 Mustang. He says the main warranty, so this is just the post. He just made a post that says the main warranty expired. It's mostly now a street car except for one raced at AMP, Atlanta Motorsport Park, I believe that's what that is. I have all the things sent to me from Ford Performance, meaning he has got all the track day pass or basically all the memorabilia if they sent you a car cover or a t-shirt or a hat or whatever came with the GT350. I have the, and then he says, I have the 19 Mustang GT350 K1868 documentation papers also. So it's just not a very artistic or just a decent photo, just a normal photo. It's not like edited or anything. And then it's like his GT350 window sticker. I can also, and he says, I can also show you the original MSRP sticker. And then, it just shows the MSRP. And it's a 19. Okay, so magnetic. He paid, the base price was $59,140, and the total options were $1,300 for a total price of $60,440. All right. So people said that's a great price, and then the first guy. So it all starts with Tomster. Tomster over here from Florida says, which he's got. I'm assuming that's his car. It looks like a 500, and it looks like it might be the carbon fiber, the track package with the carbon fiber wheels. He says, so what's the point, oh weird one? Right off the bat, and it's got like 13 likes, right? Did anybody like the original post? Nobody liked the original post. He's also got a 23 Porsche 911 Turbo, 2023 911 Turbo, agate gray on Bordeaux red. Okay, so look, man, this old boy from Sandy Springs, Georgia, got some money. I think that's what we're getting at. But it's just funny how this thread starts off. So what's the point, right? And I guess the guy's trying to say, here's what I got, here's what I paid for it. Prices have all gone up. It's worth $65,000 now. And people start, here goes this other guy with this. He does track days also. It's the best comment ever. And then people, how about he's telling about the quality and reliability? So one guy's people are just trying to figure out, is this guy just trolling? Like, why did he just post a picture of his car with the window sticker? And he just bragging about how, is he bragging saying he's the original owner? Like, what's going on here? Because we all know social media is just made for establishing dominance over everyone else, right? Let me just show you all the cool things I got. I think that's all he's doing. Except he wasn't subtle about it. Most people try to be subtle about how they flex on the internet. Like my gold silverback gorilla back there. You think that happened on accident? Exactly. So the point is that this thread goes on for 13 pages. Someone is not watching Grandpa. He's now loose and on the internet. It's weird you don't post stuff like this on SVTP just here. Almost like you come here to troll only. So is he trolling everyone? Like, what is going on? What is going on? Yeah, he hasn't created a thread in over a year. And then he posts this. So it just keeps going on. And before you know it, someone says ban him. And look, when I share my YouTube videos on a message board, I just know that people are going to say I'm a Jake Paul lookalike and you're just trying to do, people just hate. Anytime you try to do something, people hate on you. That's just part of it. So you just keep doing it. But I just thought this is 13 pages of people just ripping this guy to shreds just for posting his car. You know, he's not really contributing to the community, but he was just posting his car. Look, okay. Here he is again. And please note that I am an established 20-year member on SVT. I'm not sure where you guys are going. I'm still the faster Mustang guy here. I'm also the fastest Porsche driver is being offered a new turbo at factory cost. You guys pay more for a fast car than I do. You can be a friend or a foe of me. I can handle it either way. All I saw was some of the slowest track driving I've ever seen. When spec Miatas far outpace you, it doesn't matter what car you're in. Whatever makes you happy, though. So all of a sudden, he throws up his 23 911 Turbo. Not only is it his, but he got it at cost. Okay? So it's never going to work out well if you're on a Mustang message board flexing. It's just not going to work out for you. If you're showing off your money on a Mustang message board in a non-discreet fashion, it's not going to work out very good for you, right? So where does a special needs person get all that money for these cars that make you the fastest GT350 and Porsche driver? Was it a settlement from a car accident that left you brain damage? Down here, we have an attorney in Florida. I mean, look, he posted a video of an attorney for mentally disabled people. I mean, it just keeps on going. And then he replies. And the way he replies is very subtle. After being married for 35 plus years, the car is an important, fun thing to me. I respect that. I'm kind of with this guy at this point. He's just posting his car up. Anyone can block me if they get offended by my capitalist posts that were won by hard work and dedication to a vocation. Hey, I'm with you. Like, I have a YouTube channel. I'm trying to do the same thing, right? Many guys should work harder and stay off social media. I mean, he's not wrong, but the way he's going about it, saying, you know, it's like I'm better than you or something. That's not going to work out for you, buddy. And then he goes on to say, I don't get a divorce. Oh, and don't get a divorce. He's basically, okay, so he says, work harder and get off social media. Don't get a divorce since your ex will get half of your stuff. And don't get a divorce since you ex will get half of your stuff. I have 2 friends that lost half of their assets 3 times, 3 ex-wives. That is really not a good financial plan. True, it's not. It's not a good financial plan to have 3 divorces and lose half of your stuff 3 times. And then the next guy comments, I dropped out of this forum about a year ago, and this thread reminds me why. All y'all suck. And it just keeps on going and going. Okay, so here goes here he goes again, the original poster, flexing his cars. Look at this flex. Someone said he said he drops out. He says, you have 4 posts. So the original poster goes after this guy for saying he dropped off the message board. He says, you have 4 posts. Do you really own a Shelby 350R or 84 GT302 Predator? Cobra number 0181? The 84 GT 302 Cobra was never made. What year is your 350R? I had 4 Fox body cars in the 80s. I still live in the same house from the 80s. Now he's saying, I even live in the same house where I had 4 Fox bodies. It's just funny, man. It just keeps going. And here is his, it looks like an 84 GT convertible or 86 GT convertible. He's got an LX and he's got a coupe. It looks like they're all 5.0s. It's hard to say what's in that garage. I don't know if those are 5.0 tail lights or Merker tail lights. Look at all these trophies he's got next to that coupe. Oh, man. This is great. And it just keeps going. They were great 30 years ago, but not today. I say the new factory Mustang GT350 is the best car ever made by Ford. It's calm on the street and balls fire on the racetrack. With another weird angled driveway photo. We're going to work on the original posters photography. Oh, you really did it, John. He broke out the Polaroids. Of course he did. Didn't you see all those trophies? The fastest Mustang and Porsche driver around. If you ain't first, you're last. With a Ricky Bobby video. Oh my gosh. And these guys, it just keeps going. I'm only on page 2. There's 15 pages of this. Okay, here's the original poster again. Guys, this is the social media. This is the social media and nothing else. None of us are going to get a Ford racing contract for Le Mans and a GT40 or anything. Like, I don't know where that statement came from. We're talking about Ford. All of a sudden we got into racing. We do track events as we can in our own budget. He's speaking in this kind of, like, he's speaking for everyone. It's great. I have had a bunch of fun racing and spent some money doing it. I went for reliability over lap speed. All cash spends for racing are for my good memories and nothing else. I've known guys that cashed in their retirements to win at an amateur SCAA. I think it's SCCA, but anyway, SCAA. Maybe I'm wrong. Both lost an engine or wrecked. I say have fun, but don't get addicted to the high over the next guy. I've never got a check with exiting my truck trailer after an amateur weekend. Which, here he is flexing. We know what color the original poster likes. Red. And here he is with his trailer. Vintage racing trailer. Look, man, he's probably an older guy. He's got some money. And he should stay off the message boards. I encourage it. Keep posting 94 Cobra R. It's just these guys are just losing their minds over it. And it's kind of funny. And I don't think he's trolling. What do you guys think? You think he's actually trolling or not? So let's just keep it going. Here he goes posting again, another picture. Yes, I'm a normal male guy that owns a 19 GT350. I sure respect the GT500 cars, but it's not the best thing for a road race session. It has more front weight. I'd still say the GT359 is the best car. A few typos. I say buy one today. He says buy one today. And it just keeps going. The memes. And then before you know it, they're doing bets on. We go into page 5, page 6. Look, he says, hey, Spec Miatas are faster than you. He posts the original window sticker again and talks about the options. Some guy says hashtag good tech. I mean, I'll probably end up like this original poster one day, to be honest with you. I'm going to be just stroking my own ego just for fun. I mean, heck, I already have a YouTube channel talking about cars as if people want to listen to me. Okay, he starts talking about lap times, and then before you know it, he says, okay, I was not honest. I have raced for 25 plus years. I went to the Road Atlanta school in the 90s. Back in the day, it had a difficult dip at the Black Flag station. What do you know about that, new school guys? He's been doing this for 25 years. They made it easy in T11 with 12A and 12B with a big sand stop area. Most guys got a 2-second increase. You need to do it. You need to it under the bridge perfectly. It's balls on fire down the hill and barely clip the grass. He likes this phrase, balls on fire. Well, this just keeps going. And then before you know it, it's an all-out bet on who's faster. People are throwing in money. I'll post the link below. But what do you guys think? Do you think this guy's a troll? Or do you think that this is just, here we go. Here's money. JMN444. They're talking about money. They're talking about bets. And Atlanta Motor Speedway. I mean, I'm up in Tennessee. I mean, should we try to organize this? Should we try to watch this? Anyways, I thought it was funny. Is this guy trolling? Who's in the right? Who's in the wrong? If you like this style of vlogging, of the Mustang drama on the Mustang forums, let me know down in the comment section. Pretty funny. If you're an older dude, what do you think about all this? Let me know. We even got some Billy Johnson driving. People are getting crazy over here. I'll post a link. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and say what's up. I can't follow you back, but I have my Instagram, so if you want to communicate and send me some photos of your car and talk shop about cars, I'll post my Instagram below. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.